Okay, so you have a Samsung Galaxy S6 or a S6 Edge. Basically, your phone is not coming on. The display is black. What you can simply do is a hard reset, and what you can do is hold down the down volume button and hold down the power button simultaneously. Okay, well, I'm gonna hold it down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And obviously, my phone is working now, but just pretend that it is black. Continually hold it down until you see the Samsung Galaxy S6 or Edge logo, and just let it reboot, and that should be it. If you guys have any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.